Clients often ask who marks our utility lines before we start our hardscape project. If utility lines are not marked correctly, they may result in fines, service disruptions, and even injuries. So, you are worried about having your utility lines marked before installation. Ask your paver contractor if they will call and request your utility lines to be marked. Here at American Paving Design, approximately 1 week prior to us arriving for your hardscape project, we have our office put in a dig request at South Carolina 811. This service marks all utility lines on your property, which may include electrical, gas, cable, phone, and water. But there are some lines that are not marked, including all secondary electrical leading out from your home, light posts, yard outlets, and landscape lighting. Also, no water lines for your irrigation system will be marked. For more information on SC811, you can visit their website at sc811.com or call American Paving Design. We can help educate you on what exactly is marked and how it will help prevent any loss of connection during your hardscape installation. Want more information on what to expect during your hardscape installation? Just click the link below or go to our blog or video gallery.